staring at me on the ground. All right, we are back. We actually did this week. Sorry, I had to like push this in because I have like these, they're not nipple covers at all. They're like the push-up nipple cover ones. Hello, we actually did what we said we were gonna do for this week. Week number 1 is a success. We crocheted both of the tops that we wanted to make. Starting with this one, I'm gonna rate my tops. I'm gonna have to give this one, what do I wanna give it? I'm gonna say a 6. It looks cute, the idea is cute, but there are just some things I don't like. I think it's one of those tops where I know I was like contemplating if I should even post the pattern at all, but I also know, let me actually fully like show you the top. Okay, but I also know this is gonna be one of those tops where everybody really likes and I don't like, so I was like, I'm gonna still post it despite the fact that I don't like it. Why are you making those noises? One, I think I made it too big. See, every single time it's always my own measurements. It's never anyone else's, except for the other top I made that I'm gonna show you guys. I actually did the measurements for that one, which is why it came out good, like, But for this, I think I made the shoulders too big. Like I tucked them in right now, but I definitely made them too big. And I definitely could have sewed this better so that it looked more natural. I don't think anyone's gonna notice. I don't think anyone's gonna care, but I'm gonna. But it is really cute, and I did pair it with these white jeans. Originally I paired it with black jeans, or with blue jeans. I originally paired it with blue jeans, and it also is cute, but I actually ended up re-sewing this because before it kind of looked even more crazy. But it's cute, I guess. Like I think if I was wearing maybe a bathing suit underneath, it would be cute. But I also wouldn't wear, even if I bought this from a store or something, I wouldn't wear this. I just thought it was a cute crochet thing to crochet. I also wish that I made it longer. I'm beginning to realize I really like it. I blocked this too, but it was a lot shorter before. But I'm beginning to realize like if it was like all the way down here, I feel like that would be really cute. So yeah, but this is the first top. I still, being a crochet creator is no joke. I think there's different levels to it when you're also just trying to be a like influencer creator. Dora's like on the floor spazzing. Being a creator and also having to actually physically make something, because let me push that back in, because 1, you have to crochet it, which honestly easiest part. 2, I have to write the actual pattern, which doesn't take that long, but it can be daunting when I don't actually do it. 3, I recorded all my TikToks, everything, and then lots of transitions, whatever. 4, I had to take pictures for it. 5, I had to figure out how I am going to schedule everything, because I want to do 1 post a day, but then I also might double it on Instagram because I have like a regular picture post, a video post, and then I also have to post on TikTok, and then also on YouTube, and then I also have to edit these videos. But I'm blessed, so that wasn't a complaint. That was just an information session because I'm blessed. Okay, let's go to the next top, because not to toot my own horn, but that is the most beautiful top I've ever made in my whole life, and I would actually wear it. I think. Why am I talking about it? It's not on my body. I'll be right back. Alrighty, top number 2. Oh, you still can't see it, guys, because I want to talk to you, God forbid. But look, oh my God, so cute. It came out so cute. I literally love this top so much. I think this would be the first top that I would ever wear that is my crochet creation, because it is so cute, actually. Like, wow. And it's so flowy, and usually when I put on crochet tops, it's a struggle and a half, but the way it's just so good. I literally love this top so much. Even the colors and everything. But so the way I designed it, this is back loop only half double crochet right here, right? So it stretches when I put it on. I also did a tie here. Dior, what are you doing? Get out of there. I also put a tie here because last top I didn't make it a tie, and I also measured that wrong. It's an optional tie. I feel like also this would be cute if it didn't have a tie either. I also put elastic thread in the back here. The only thing about this top is that with these sideways cups, it goes so low, which is fine if I keep it up, but I'm contemplating maybe putting elastic here too. I just don't know how I would scrunch it. Like, you know? I also, last thing, I still think this is an 8 out of 10, but there's just little things I would fix. Maybe I would put the straps more in the front, because I feel like if it was like tied and it pulled here, then that would actually be perfect. But it's still so cute. I love this top so, so much. And even when I was crochet, it's just such a quick crochet. Like, I start these and finish these in 2 days, which low-key is a long time because that's not the only thing I do throughout the day. But oh my god, it's so cute. And blocking this, steaming your crochet pieces is literally the best thing you could do in your whole life. But it is so, 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 so cute. And I really want people to make this and just see like the different, what is on my shirt? Sorry guys. I want to see the different color combos that people would make with this. I think that's my favorite part. I just love it so much. Even if I was to make like a green mesh headband or like a matching green bag or something, or the purple that I just made with the last one, I feel like the green, blue, and purple go so good together. They're not necessarily pastel or bright or neon and stuff like that, but it's just such a specific shade of color that is so pretty. It's so pretty. These are just so summery. They give like fairy. I think fairy is the best way to describe it because it just has a tiny bit of shine to it. I also had made my grandmother a cardigan in the purple that I made for the other one. Let me just grab it because I'm looking at it. In this purple, and it's not like a light purple. It is a light purple, but it just has a tiny bit of shine and shimmer to it that makes it so cute. But I still haven't even written the pattern for this. It's not going to take long, but it also just has to get done too. But it's so cute. Guys, I actually did what I said I was going to do. And I already recorded my plans for the next video, for the next week, I guess you could say. But the annoying thing is I have to go home and I don't feel like it. But Father's Day is on Sunday. But yeah, so we did what we wanted to do this week. Be prepared for next week's video. Next week's plans as the next video. I'm assuming this is going to be posted on Saturday. Who knows? I just listed out all the things I have to do. So fingers crossed. I'm posting like the videos a week ahead than of me actually making this. So like this will low-key be posted weeks and weeks from now. So hopefully that will make me stay on track. But we shall see. Should I just keep standing here while you look at my top? The only thing that is annoying about taking pictures is when my boyfriend travels, I don't have anyone to take pictures of for me. 2, taking pictures has to be my least favorite thing to do in public. And it's crazy because I want to become a model, but that doesn't count, you know? Because even if one more person was with me, that's still better than having to do it by myself because of the psychology behind groups or whatever. But so I take pictures of my apartment. There's not that many places to take pictures of my apartment, so we're gonna figure it out. Or y'all are gonna see my Instagram and be like, Bella, like, the window ledge again? Like, seriously? But yeah, that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you love this pattern and want to buy it for me. But yeah, all right, bye-bye.